Social media savvy. Stay connected in English. Hello everyone. Today, we'll be talking about a very important topic in our daily lives, especially in the evening when we often wind down and catch up with family and friends. The topic is using social media to stay connected. With the advent of technology, social media has become a popular platform for connecting with others. It's a useful tool for practicing your English, too. We'll start by discussing the various social media platforms that you can use to connect with your family and friends. The most popular platforms include Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. Each of these platforms has its unique style and purpose, but they all provide opportunities to engage in English conversations. Remember, when you are interacting on these platforms, always be respectful and considerate of other users. In this section, we'll look at some common phrases and vocabulary used when engaging with others on social media. Here are a few. Just checking in. This is a friendly way to initiate a conversation. What's new with you? This is a common question to ask about recent events or changes. Have you seen my latest post? This is a way to draw attention to something you've shared on social media. Don't forget the importance of likes, shares, and comments, all crucial terms in the realm of social media. Now, let's see how these phrases can be used in conversation. 1. Example 1. Hey, just checking in. How was your day? 2. Example 2. Hi, what's new with you? I saw your pictures from the beach. 3. Example 3. Have you seen my latest post? I shared some photos from my hike. By using these phrases, you can engage in simple yet meaningful conversations in English on your preferred social media platforms. Remember, practicing your English on social media is a great way to enhance your language skills. Try writing posts in English or commenting on other people's posts in English. Join English speaking groups or follow pages that interest you. These activities can help you learn new vocabulary, phrases, and how to use English in everyday conversation. In conclusion, social media can be an excellent tool for practicing and improving your English, as well as staying connected with family and friends. We hope this video helps you feel more comfortable using English on social media platforms. Keep practicing and don't forget to have fun with it. Your journey to English proficiency is an exciting one. That's all for today, folks. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this helpful. Stay connected and see you in our next video.